What's up? I'm Billie Eilish, and this is Soundbites.
Can you describe Don't Smile at Me in 3 words?
Don't smile at me.
It's 4 words.
Fuck. You're right. Ah, yaka. 3 words. Not everyone else.
Do you have a favourite lyric on your beat?
If I love you was a promise, would you break it? If you're honest, tell the mirror what you know she's heard before. I don't want to be you anymore. My favorite song right now is Catch Me Outside by Ski Mask the Slump God.
So how would you describe your style?
I really like to be judged. So if I'm wearing something that somebody thinks is super ugly and I walk in and they're like, ooh, what the hell? It's like, it's just as good for me as if I walked in and someone was like, whoa, she looks so good. Because it's like, I want to be in your head, so.
What are your wardrobe staples? What are the things that are always in front of you?
Probably like a huge yellow puffy coat, for sure. I have like 100 of them.
If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
Probably, I feel like shape-shifting would be cool. The idea of becoming someone else and actually being that person. Like, what if you woke up one day and you were like Lady Gaga? What? Can you imagine like what would go through your brain? Like, what if you could actually do that? You know what I mean?
What's your perfect day off look like?
A bath. A bath and going to Donut Friend down my street, drinking some coffee and writing some stuff. Damn, I haven't had an off day in a while. I don't know what they're like, so. Okay.
Tacos or burritos?
Burritos.
Soya or almond milk?
Soy, what the hell?
Salty or sweet?
Salty.
Hummus or smashed avocado?
Hummus.
Breakfast or dinner?
Ooh, it really depends, but breakfast.
Soup or salad?
Soup.
Smoothies or juice?
Smoothies.
Peanut butter or cashew butter?
Peanut butter.
Ring or filled donuts?
Dude, those jelly-filled donuts are fly. I like those.
That's it.
Sweet.
Those are good questions.